Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML input types, and right now we'll be discussing about the HTML input type of file. So the HTML input type of file defines a file select field and a browse button for file upload. So I'm going to show you how this works quickly. Let's get back to our document. As you can see right here, we are having different type of input right here. We have covered in our previous tutorial: text input, password input, submit input, reset input, radio input, text box input, button input, checkbox input, color input, date max input, date input, date min input, date time local input, email input, and also we are having image input. But right now we want to create another input type, but we want to place it at the top right here, immediately after our top 10 HTML form playlist legend here. So we want to place it at the top. So quickly, let's create another input here. So let's give it this place a br tag here. Let's place another element here, which is label. When we write the label, we can write file, because we are talking about file. So right now, let's write file input. I'm trying to work fast like this so this tutorial doesn't get too long. Let's create our input. Let's create file. Now let's save our document and see the default value. Can you see? Now we are having this file. This is our default value of this. So let's break it again so it can look nice. You can give it a br tag. You can give it like 2. Let's save our document and reload. Can you see? Now it's looking nice, right? This is our default value of our input type of file. Let me remove this label so you can see it clearly. And let me remove this name right here so you can see it clearly. This is the one we are using. I'm just keeping this break line here so that it can break the line for us. So this is the thing we are talking about here. So let's reload it. Can you see this one? So now how does it work? So let's click it. Can you see it automatically open our current file? So we can select an image and open it. Can you see the image is selected, and we can send this image. So how can we send this image? Let's reset this and reopen again. Let's click this and send this image, this sub.png. Let's send it. So let's click submit. Let's see what will happen. Can you see when we click submit, we are not seeing it. It's not going anywhere. We are not seeing it right here because everything right here is different. So let's reset. Let's come back to our. We have to create something, but we have to give it a name. We can give it any name, but I'll give it file for now. So let's save it, and now any file we select, we can now send it to our script file. Now let's select it again and click it. Now submit. Can you see something happen right here? This is our file. This is it. As you can see, this is our file is equal to what? Sub.png. So I purposely do it in this manner so you can be able to see it. That let me change the name from file to another thing so you can be able to know that it's the truly is the one. This is the name. So we are going to change it to my file, capital letter my. So you are going to see that it's going to work. If you reload it like this, it's not going to work. You have to get back. Now let's reload it and let's submit it again. Can you see my file? So the sub.png is heading to my file, and my file is taking it to our index.php file. That's what really happened there. So let's reload our document. Let's reset it. Let's click it again. Let's click it again and submit it. Can you see it is working perfectly as we want? So let's get back to our document and decorate our file input very well. So let's decorate it and make it look nice again. We can give it ID. Let's give it ID of file, and also we can quickly at the top of here, at the top of it here, let's give it a label. We can give it a label of file, and also we can give it another label here. We can now write our label right here like file input, anything we want it to have. Now when we save this our document, now you are going to see how it look. Can you see it's looking nice now? And we can reset it. Can you see no file selected? When we select the file, it should show that it should show the name of the file. This is what I want to show you guys for now. Anwar Akorede Ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time. Have a great day. Thank you so much, and to the next tutorial. Bye bye.